Hey guys, today let's learn how to make passive income with ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. So if you guys want to go ahead and create passive income using ChatGPT and with Leonardo AI, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so I'm just going to give you guys some ideas on how you guys could create some passive income on Leonardo AI with ChatGPT. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to actually hop onto the ChatGPT website. So I'm going to search for ChatGPT right here and launch the ChatGPT website. Basically what we need to do here is to go ahead and log into our preferred accounts. Now once you have already done so, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now real quick. So as you see, we can now basically use the ChatGPT softwares to utilize and use it as we intended to do to create our passive income. Basically, the first step is to use ChatGPT to help you create a storybook. So you can now actually go ahead and ask ChatGPT. So let's say that make me a short story for a children's book. So you could actually tell ChatGPT to make that for you and use that result, of course, with Leonardo AI. So as you notice, our goal here is to create a specific storybook for children using ChatGPT. And using, of course, ChatGPT is one of the best options for us to use since it's going to give us the best result. And of course, some very timely results as well, since these stories are very interesting as well. So once we have our story already written down, what we can do next is to hop on to the Leonardo AI website. But first we need to go ahead and have a specific idea of what we want from on each paragraph over here. So go ahead and just read the first paragraph and basically think of a picture on your mind of what you have in mind from this paragraph. So if we read once upon a time is a sunny meadow nestled between long hills. So go and just copy this, or rather if you do have that specific image in mind, go ahead and describe that over on Leonardo AI and let Leonardo AI generate that image for you. So as I said a while ago, go ahead and launch Leonardo AI, basically proceed to the AI image generation option, and then write in the prompt that you had in mind or that you thought of course, after reading the first paragraph. Now copy that specific image. So let's say, for example, that this is that image. So basically save it onto your device. And I want you to go ahead and hop onto canva.com. Now why, you may ask, we want to go ahead on canva.com because that is what we want to go ahead and utilize to create our storybook. We can now go ahead and get this storybook and use canva.com to create our storybook by, of course, using the images, pasting over the text on canva.com, and then printing out this physical storybook to sell onto children. Of course, you got to go ahead and market this specific children's book and children's storybook over on children's, maybe prep schools, primary schools out there, and you could also sell this to your friends and family and make a living out of it and basically allow them to market your specific product to their friends and families as well, so that it will be basically a passive income for you to earn money for years to come. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.